In Accra, residents of Ashaiman are making waves. They're drawing a line in the asphalt and saying enough is enough. They've issued a bold 2-month ultimatum to the government of Nana Akufo-Addo demanding the repair of their deteriorated roads. It's a plea for safety, for smoother commutes, and a call for action. They've waited patiently and now they're setting a deadline. The clock is ticking and the ball is in the government's court. Will they step up? Will they meet the demands and fix the roads? Or will they let the deadline pass, leaving the residents of Ashaiman to navigate the potholes and pitfalls of their daily commute? Stay tuned as this continues to unfold. The countdown begins. Ashaiman, your move.